Open your book. Open your book. Close your notebook. Close your notebook. Read loudly. Read loudly. Write neatly. Write neatly. Draw slowly. Draw slowly. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Say your name. Say your name. Spell your name. Spell your name. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Pay attention. Pay attention. Don't talk. Don't talk. Sit in your seat. Sit in your seat. Stand in a line. Stand in a line. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. Go straight. Go straight. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Stop there. Stop there. Come fast. Come fast. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold it tightly. Hold it tightly. Open your bag. Open your bag. Take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Put it back. Put it back. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Throw it away. Throw it away. Don't sit there. Don't sit there. Come with me. Come with me. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. Stay here. Stay here. Stay home. Stay home. Don't move. Don't move. Be ready. Be ready. Get dressed. Get dressed. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Wash your face. Wash your face. Dry your hands. Dry your hands. Go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Come out quickly. Come out quickly. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. Don't open it. Don't open it.